the most expensive super yacht in the world and what's included inside. The Russian businessman helped the Blues to become a big spender in the transfer market, bringing brilliant players like Arjen Robben, Didier Drogba and Fernando Torres etc. to offer the beautiful game for the club supporters across the world. As well as the Chelsea football team, which is a beauty in soccer fields, Abramovich owns another marvel, a private yacht named Eclipse. The 162.5 m long beauty, Eclipse, is the world's second largest and one of the most expensive superyachts. With an estimated cost of 590 million, 340 million euros, the Eclipse has been owned by its current owner since December 2010. A synonym for luxury, this superyacht is best suitable for all adventure and water sports activities in addition to providing splendid trips to cultural and historical destinations. Built by renowned German shipbuilder Blohm plus Voss, the Eclipse was launched in June 2009 after a total of 5 years of design, development and testing. Before its final delivery, several sea trials were done starting in May 2009 at Kristiansand, Norway. When delivered, Eclipse won the spot for the largest superyacht in the world, beating 162 meters long M.Y. Dubai of Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Prime Minister of the United Arab Emirates. Eclipse retained the title until the arrival of 180 meters long Azam, the private yacht of UAE President Khalifa bin Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan, in 2013. Currently managed by Blue Ocean Yacht Management, Eclipse was selected as the Motor Yacht of the Year in 2011 at the World Superyacht Awards. As mentioned earlier, this tremendous superyacht measures 162.5 meters, 533 feet 1 inch ft, in length, 22.00 meters, 72 feet 2 inches ft, in width and 5.90 meters, 19 feet 4 inches ft, in the draft, offering a huge area for luxurious leisure activities. The Bermuda-flagged, Lloyd's Register-class yacht has a gross tonnage of 13,000 tons. Offering the latest propulsion technology for maximum speed performance, Eclipse is powered by a diesel-electric, dual propulsion system with 4 MTU 20 volts 1163 TB93 marine diesel engines. These engines power the rotating Azipod drives, providing the yacht with a maximum speed of 25 knots and a cruise speed of 22 knots. The boat also has the capacity to store about 150,000 liters of freshwater abroad. Interior and exterior design. While the naval architecture was provided by Blohm plus Voss, the superstructure design of the Eclipse was carried out by Terence Disdale Design. The UK-based award-winning firm was also responsible for interior design, deck layouts as well as construction supervision. Incidentally, the construction of the vessel was performed with great secrecy and, due to this reason, the project was named as Project Luxury Yacht M147 throughout the construction period. However, the details of technical design and construction of the yacht have not been revealed to the public. The design and layout are available for people to marvel at. Divided into 9 decks, the top deck of Eclipse is taken up by the helicopters and garage. The swimming pool and sun deck go on level 8, while level 7 features a pool, atrium and an open deck. The salon, main dining hall and a 40 feet by 60 feet full beam loggia are located on the 6th level, and the 4th floor features the main entrance of the yacht. While the next level of the yacht divides the cabins and suites of the owner, guests and the crew, the second deck of the vessel acts as a docking port for the submarine. And, level 1 accommodates the engine room, machinery and a small disco club. The superyacht that comes with a displacement steel hull has an aluminium superstructure, while its decks become magnificent, featuring teak woods. In order to offer a smooth cruising experience, the yacht features an ultra-modern stabilization system that minimizes roll motion effect and is equipped with, at anchor stabilizers to increase comfort when the boat is stationary. Featuring the Art Deco interior design, with an innovative, technology-rich environment and the use of soft metallic fabrics, Eclipse offers a splendid living experience for its owner. With diverse facilities across the decks, the yacht meets the optimum standard in offering a platform for spending leisure time. The entire yacht has been bejeweled with features to make it more luxurious. Spread across a number of decks, the facilities aboard Eclipse includes a gym, dance floor, underwater lights, beach club, Wi-Fi connection, beauty salon, tender garage and deck jacuzzi. Further, the Eclipse holds 2 helipads and a 16-meter swimming pool that can be converted into a dance floor. This motor yacht is capable of accommodating 3 helicopters, 2 on both helipads and the third one in a storage hangar located below the foredeck. Moreover, Eclipse also flaunts internal lifts, 6 tenders and an exterior fireplace on board. The boat also features a place for a 3-person private submarine that can go up to a depth of 160 feet. Eclipse is also one of the most technologically advanced yachts around the world. The boat boasts the latest technology safety features which include motion sensors, bulletproof glass and anti-ballistic missile defense. In fact, each cabin in the yacht comes with a private 6-feet home cinema screen, a jacuzzi, spa and specialized security systems. According to reports, Eclipse has an anti-paparazzi system that detects the use of digital cameras to click photographs of the boat. Using lasers, the system detects digital cameras and disrupts a potential photograph of the yacht as those infrared lights can make it unstable. The yacht holds 11 staterooms and suites, making the living area a total of 6,000 square feet. With this facility, Eclipse can house 30 guests and a 92-member staff crew abroad. The master suite, located on level 5 of the yacht, alone is spread over an area of 5,000 square feet. In addition, the boat also has a pilot house on level 7. With all these facilities incorporated, the maintenance of the Eclipse is not a less expensive matter. An annual expense of over $60 million is reportedly required to maintain this luxury boat. According to media reports, Abramovich charges around £175,000 from its customers to rent the vessel for a day. Up to 20 engineers from Blue Ocean Yacht Management were present on site throughout the build, whipping it along to meet the aggressive delivery schedule. Disdale doesn't recall any sleepless nights, at least, no more than usual, he laughs. The pressure of designing what was then the world's top yacht, both inside and out, did obviously register, though. It's a huge responsibility building something of that magnitude, which is going to be under everyone's magnifying glass. It's not just doing a job, this thing is going to be scrutinized and analyzed by everyone. There's a responsibility to yourself as a designer. A decade from delivery, and more than 15 years from the moment Disdale first put pen to paper, he says he wouldn't change a thing, and nor has the owner, who has kept Disdale's designs largely unchanged. For me, it's more a clean piece of architecture than it is a piece of styling. The fact that you have a helipad on the front creates the superstructure to bow dimension, which is beautiful. If it wasn't there, you wouldn't have that length. And then when you get to the back of the boat, the swimming pool is dictating another piece of the story. Maybe I'd make the rear end look a bit more inviting, the way the staircases lead into the boat, but anti-piracy was a concern, plus there are a load of services and facilities back there. There's a full-size pantry to serve the beach club, which very few boats have, and gull wing doors with a pull-out barbecue and pizza oven. Disdale's long experience in the business means he is able to resist the temptation to force designs. Eclipse is a handsome boat, and it looks like a boat. Like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.